Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we are back with another Dollar Tree haul, the one right before New Year's Eve. That's right, this is the last haul video for now for 2023 before we go into 2024. And so let's get into all the good goodies. Now, I needed another roll of paper towels, and so this is the 140 count and always good in a pinch, buck 25. And y'all, they have not brought they've brought Swan hydrogen peroxide, but not 32 fluid ounces in a while. When I say it's been a while, it's been a while. They've only just brought like the teeny versions, which has annoyed me. Now you would think, why would I need this or whatever? It's still good, a good disinfectant, but also to treat wounds. But I forget her name online. I know she's a big personality, but she has a hack. She's one of like these Dollar Tree people who has a series of hacks, and so she has a good hack for cleaning bathroom tiles with hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. So if you come across this, and especially a big one like 32 fluid ounces, because I feel like they're kind of like running slow on them. I don't know if it's production or what. Grab yourself one. It's pretty heavy. It'll last you a while. So I opted for a one bottle. Now, let's move into some other stuff. Oh, yes. Finally, they brought back the microfiber duster mop pad as well. I picked up two, and because I always like these, it really does pick up. It does what it promises. And again, if it gets too filthy, toss it. But it really do say that this is definitely worth a buck 25. And I picked up their microfiber mop pad, heavy duty. Again, you have to get the I forget, it's the panel that actually you stick it to with the Velcro. I'll show you in a sec. So you need this panel that is receptacle to the Velcro. I forget the proper name of it. If you guys know, let me know in the comment section below. But you attach it to, of course, the broomstick. It's sold separately. But then you were to put this bad boy on top. It sticks nicely, and then it does its job. It's not sticking because it still has this tag. But nonetheless, this is by their Standard Essentials line collection. It's a cleaning system. Can't recommend this enough. Also, I came across this. I mean, we women, we have to also be on top of things. And this is by Be Pure. I am a big fan of Be Pure. I think it's a good dupe for a number of brand products. And this is day liners with organic cotton. No dyes, no color, no chlorine, no added fragrances, and it's an 18 count. For a buck 25, this is a steal. So ladies, if you do come across this, feminine care, feminine hygiene products, you will find probably an 18 count for almost $4 at your average Target, Walgreens, whatever. So I'm gonna give this a try, but I do recommend the 18 counts, especially it's your lighter days. I would say grab yourself one. That's that. Now let's get into the fun Valentine's Day fun finds. And as you can already see, tell me this isn't the cutest. Now this doesn't look so raggedy. I think like I'm sorry, but I think the gnomes for Christmas look so raggedy at my Dollar Tree that I just didn't bother. But they have brought the gnomes. I feel like the gnomes are just here to stay year round, and so they've brought a girl looking gnome. I'm under the assumption because of the braiding, but really cute little little feet to make it look festive. Nice hot pink and this sequence hat and whatnot. And I think it looked cute. And I think it's very heavy set for a buck 25. I think this can also be maybe found. I feel like the quality would be range between $3 and $5. So the fact that it's a buck 25 is a steal. So if you see her in the background, you already know a buck 25, y'all. So I got one of those. Also, these go quickly. Last time I bought these were like almost 3 years ago, maybe 1 or 4 years ago when I started my channel. And they had white and pink and red. And when I went back, they were gone. So they brought them back. They're this nice like felt kind of material, and they come in pink and white and red. So I opted for the pink. So if you see a few embellishments in my background, you already know. They're roses, 6 piece per package. If you see them, snag them. They're going quick. All Valentine's Day stuff is already kind of rushing off the shelves. I went back and I opted for the nice plush red 4 piece. I already have a pink one, and I'll link it somewhere in the video or in the description box, but I already have the pink set. Now I bought the red set, really cute. For their rose clips, as you can see, you can wear them in your hair. You can wear them on top of you, in your lapel, on your clothes. Add them as a gift, an embellishment on a gift. Really cute. 4 pieces per package, $1.25. So that's that. Also, I came across this, a nail stamp by Sassy and Chic. The instructions are behind, but you can do anything decorative, and then you can just place them on your nail polish on top. So how cool is that? I'm going to give this a try, see if this is really worth the $1.25, but it was a cute little thing that I saw in their beauty care section. Also, this is in their new collection section, just letting you know. Also, makeup removal pads. How cute are these? These are like heart shaped, and they're perfect, so you could put like 2 or 3 fingers in and really kind of get your makeup off. I thought this was adorable. So 2 pieces per package. Got one. We're getting ready for New Year's Eve, so it's great to have sweets to kind of sweeten the year. So I picked up some Hershey's Chocolate Kisses, milk chocolate, and Andes mint chocolate. Really good. These are really good. These are 3 ounces in weight, 40 calories per chocolate, which isn't too bad in comparison to a lot of other products, brands. So I picked up that, and also if you're going to dress up your New Year's Eve table, it's always good to have nice coins to bring in abundance. So 26 party favors. You can see these gold and silver coins. I thought they were really cute to bring in the new year. Also, they Jot has brought these organizational things. How cute are these? Oh my god, they're nice and nice rose gold. So this, can't see the sizing, but it comes in this size and a slimmer size. So I picked up 2. Also, for decorative purposes, this beautiful red ribbon with heart glitter. Very cute. $1.25. Also, I don't know if I'll use this for something else, or maybe the Renaissance. I thought Renaissance, Beyonce Renaissance. And this is also from their, it's actually from their Mardi Gras kind of thing that they have going on, but I thought of that. So, $1.25. And lastly, these 2 Valentine's Day signs. This one screams love. All in gold and red trimming and red glitter, and also this Be My Valentines, which I thought was really cute. You see in the background, you already know these balloons are for New Year's Eve, and it's from Target. But again, I think it was like maybe $3. I'm not sure, 5. All right, y'all. I hope you've enjoyed this haul. If you like what you see, give us a like. Give us a share. Leave us a comment down below. If you'd like to follow me here, hit the subscription button.